What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today it is update on that Firebird, right? Is that what you guys want to see? You guys like this build? Let me know. But it is few days into the build. Last time you guys saw it, we had the motor out. We pulled that thing out, and then also we were getting a little something extra to help us out with these builds in the backyard. Let me show you guys what we did. What we have been doing, I should say. We're still working on the Frankenstein Chevelle. Hopefully we're gonna get the headliner put in here probably tomorrow, hopefully. I would do it myself. I have done it. I actually did it on the shake and bake, but I don't have the time right now, and I might as well hire a professional to help us out. So we got that coming up here soon. So let me show you guys what's going on with the Firebird. As a matter of fact, let me show you guys what we have now from the last time. Look. Ah, yeah, buddy. Look at that, though. Isn't that thing a thing of beauty, guys? Oh, my God. I'm so glad we finally got this lift. It's going to help us out tremendously with these builds. It's going to move things quickly. I mean, we don't have to be on our back all the time. It is so nice. This is one thing I've been dreaming about since, you know, any car person will tell you they just have a lift in their backyard or in their house somewhere. Just, I mean, anybody will tell you, it's just such a thing, a relief for me and these builds and my back and my knees and all the above. You guys already know. Now it is 100, not even 100. It's about 88 degrees today. Look at this. I got my hat today, baby. It's hot out here. Super hot. But look at this lift, guys. Not too bad. I got the low profile, nothing crazy. I want to say it's like 9,000 pounds capacity, which should work plenty for us. And 2-post lift. I can't ask for more than that right now, guys. So let me walk you over what's going on. We got the engine bay prepped, so we can put this motor back in. Now we got the motor also prepped as well to get it dropped back in. I've been doing some work on it. You guys can see. Let me show you. Now, last time you guys saw it, this thing was just ugly, nasty. Look at that. We've cleaned it up a little bit. What you guys think? Doesn't look good? Yeah, buddy, looks good, huh? So we're going to go ahead and hopefully get this thing dropped in right now. If you guys want to hang out, we'll see if we can get this thing squeezed in here, at least put it back in place, see what we got. We just ordered some headers. They came in. I believe they came in today. I got to check. I saw something over there in the front door come in. 80s Performance for the win, guys. If you guys need any parts, 80s Performance is where it's at, guys. Hit him up. He always hooks it up. Best prices out there. But yeah, that's it. It's this little 6.0, nothing crazy. We got a nice intake that one of the guys on Instagram helped us out. We're going to put an LS6 intake on the top of this thing. So it'll be really nice. So that way he has good hood clearance. That's one of his issues when he came in. He didn't have any hood clearance. So we're going to hook him up with that. We also got a PSI harness coming in. It should be here shortly with the next day or two, guys. So the old harness is kind of still laying in the car. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is just junk. The old harness that was in here was just junk. We're going to scratch that, start fresh with the new PSI harness. Can't go wrong with that. Hit up Bobby over there at PSI Conversions. Hook us up. He will hook you up. Tell him Goose sent you, and he'll give you some good deals. We also hit him up, put a low profile pan on here, guys. This is the GM muscle pan we put on here. He had this thing over here, big old truck pan. So it's hang real low, way low. It was even hard for us to get this thing out of here because of how low this pan hanged as well. And not to mention, this is going to give us a lot more clearance up front for steering, so that'll help too. What else we got going on? We got other few little things that we're putting onto this motor as soon as they arrive, so stay tuned for that. But let's see if we can get this thing dropped in real quick. It's getting hot out here. I'm over here tripping on stuff, but it's getting hot. Hopefully we get this thing in with no issues. With this sun, it's killing me. It's making me dry, making me parch, all the above. Let's get to it. is in, y'all. At least for the motor mounts. Had a little problem there, you know. Sometimes you just gotta ease the tension on one side versus the other. If that didn't work, what I was going to do is loosen the strap on this side and then bring this side up, so that way it's only pulling this side of the motor, so you ease the tension up, or you try to get it leveled as much as you can. It doesn't get any easier, I'm telling you right now. It's always like, hope nothing gets messed up. Hope nothing gets messed up. Cross your fingers. Nah, man, it's hectic, man, pulling these motors in and out. So last thing you want to do is damage anything. But I think we got it pretty much in there. We just got to throw the nuts on the back of the bolts, and that should be bolted up. What I am going to do, I got to go underneath the car and then put the cross member on to hold the tranny up. I don't think I'm going to show you guys that yet. I still got to get a tranny jack for the lift. I don't have one right now, so even if I jack the car up right now, it's really not going to help me very much to try to get that underneath, or actually get the tranny up so I can put the cross member on. But we might have to just do it on the floor until I go get a tranny jack. But guys, until next episode, you guys will see maybe we start wiring this thing up and even throw the in-tank accessories and things on like that. So that way this thing actually looks like a motor again. We get this thing on the road here soon. Hopefully we got the whole fuel system to do still. Stay tuned for that. Guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell for notifications. Guys, big thumbs up. Appreciate you guys tuning into the channel.